Hey there, creative minds. Have you ever wanted to create a beautiful blog but overwhelmed by complex tools or coding? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking blog using this website, the Canvas website builder. So, Canva is not just for designing graphics, but it's also a user friendly platform for building websites. And you didn't need any prior experience, so either you're starting a personal blog showcasing your portfolio or sharing your passions, Canva has got you covered. So in this tutorial, we'll cover everything from setting up your Canva account to customizing your blog, adding pages, and publishing it for the world to see. So by the end, you'll have a fully functional blog that's as unique as you are. So the first thing you need to have here is head over to the canva.com. And if you're new to Canva, you need to sign up for a free account using your email, Google, or the Facebook. And if you already have an account, you just need to log in and you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. So here guys, the Canva offers both free and pro versions. So while the free plan is fantastic, upgrading to pro gives you access to premium templates and features, which can be a great investment for bloggers. On your dashboard guys, you search the bar and type website, and then the Canva will display hundreds of customizable templates. Look for templates labeled blog or choose any design that fits your style. So here, select one and then start designing. As you can see here, let's try to look for a template here. So here, you have a lot of templates here that you can choose here. So tip guys, look for templates with clean layouts and plenty of space. So for text and images, so this make your blog easy to read and visually appealing. So in this video guys, we will be having a blog website about real restaurant. So for example, to that one is this one guys, and of course, so you can change the template style guys, or change the color theme or the palette. You just need to tap on that style guys. So here, as you can see here, or the layouts, and then going back here to the styles, you can choose here. So below here is some of the combinations or the color patterns here. Now to that one is this one. So depending on your liking guys, or your niche, so no brand colors or fonts are set for this brand kit. So here you can also choose that one or this one. For example, that is this one. And once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it to match your brand or your personal style. So change colors, fonts, and images to reflect your theme. And the Canvas drag and drop editor make this process super simple. So here, you can also choose here the fonts by tapping on that one. You can choose a lot of fonts here guys, or the text styles. And also guys, you can also change the color of the font here. You just need to tap on that A letter and you will be able to choose different colors here. So for example, that is this one. So you can replace a placeholder images guys with your own photos, or choose from Canvas library of free and premium stock images. So don't forget to use consistent fonts and colors for a polished look. So here you'll also be able to see here different features of this website. So what you need to do here is you can add another page here guys by adding that add page button. So here, to add more content, you can click on that one, the add page button. You can duplicate an existing page for consistency or start with a blank one. Add sections for your home page, flag posts, about page, and content information. So keep your navigation simple. Users holder should be able to find what they're looking for in just a few clicks. As you can see here, I'm gonna add another page here, so it is still connected about the first page here. So for example, to that one is this one. I'm just gonna change the name here, so I'm gonna change it to the Kaiser's Kitchen. And don't forget guys to edit the color of your font here. So here, I also changed the style of the template guys in order for it to match the first page. So here, I'm gonna change the name here to Kaiser's Kitchen. So right after this one, what we'll do next here is demonstration for adding text boxes and styling text. So now it's time to add your blog content. Click on any text box to edit it. So the Canva offers a variety of text style, so feel free to mix headings, subheadings, and body text for a structured look. So here, so another tip guys, keep your content concise and engaging. Break up text with images or icons to keep readers interested. So here, so you can see here, you can also link external resources or embed a YouTube video guys. Just need to simply click on any element, select link, and you can paste the URL. For videos, drag a video block onto your page and upload your clip or paste a YouTube link. So this is a great way to make your blog interactive and keep readers engaged. So here, click the preview button to see how your blog looks in desktop and mobile. So this website automatically optimizes your design for different devices. So of course, double check all links, spelling, and formatting before hitting the publish guys. So here, going back here to the text guys, you can add here your subheadings. So this offers a variety of text styles. So feel free to mix headings, subheadings, and body text for a structured look. So here, you can also add another one here guys. So in order to use this one, the elements, you can choose buttons here. So you just need to type an order now. So for this will be your another button here. So look for a design that will match your personal style about your blog. So here, and of course guys, you need to double check it guys if it is right on time and it is on the center one. So here, you can also check here again the templates and double check the design guys before you publish everything. And of course guys, in this blog, when the blog is now live, you can have some tips to promote it. So share your blog link on social media. You can also use SEO friendly titles and description for better visibility. So constantly update your blog with fresh content to keep the readers coming back. And there you have it guys, a stunning blog created entirely with Canva. The best part, you can update and refine your blog anytime without needing the technical skills. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design and blogging tips. And if you have any question, drop them in the comments below because I'd love to help. And of course guys, don't forget to publish your work, and you can also download that one guys, or use this public view link. So download that one, you can download that one or send it to the art teacher, or copy the link and send it to your friends. See you in my next video. Bye guys!